Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have Nidhi Shenoy who is doing Masters in Analytics. Ah. So please introduce yourself.
So, hi guys, my name is Nidhi Shenoy. I'm from Pune, Maharashtra, and obviously an international student. So, I came to Australia in the year of 2023 and I got myself enrolled in Masters of Analytics at an RMIT University. So, I am a recent graduate. I graduated in the year of 2024 December, which is just like 6 months ago. So, yeah.
Ah. So you are you are international student.
Yes, I'm an international student.
Okay. Please tell which course you are doing and why.
So as I told you that I am doing Masters of Analytics because my background since the beginning it was computer science. I did my bachelor's in computer science and that's why I got an interest into like continuing my field into IT. So I was surfing on the RMIT page, which one should I take, data science or analytics, because whatever I was taught in bachelor's it was very very basic, but after that it was specialization between data science and analytics, whereas I thought data science is a bit tougher part because it has a lot of programming in it, which I am not pretty much fan of. So I thought analytics will be good for me because I like to play with numbers, charts, and pie charts, statistics basically. So I opted for Masters of Analytics.
Why Australia?
Why Australia? It's a very good question. So firstly, why Australia is because my elder brother is here, and secondly, when I compared all the other fee structures with other countries, I found Australia to be the cheapest before, like when I came, but now the prices have touched the skies. That's a different story. But when I was here, I was pretty lucky to get a good course structure. So I chose Australia because Melbourne and Sydney, both of them were the main cities of Australia. So I didn't choose Sydney because my brother as well as my half of my I have relatives as well here, so I chose Melbourne as my destination.
Ah, that's nice. Which uni do you think is best for this course?
So for Masters of Analytics, I think after I would first prefer Unimel, but because I didn't score good in my 12th standard, I didn't get Unimel. But yeah, Unimel is the first preference if I would have got it. So after Unimel, I would prefer RMIT.
Okay. No Monash. Sorry. No.
Monash is too costly. No
Yeah,
offense, Monash people.
Yeah.
But yeah, Monash is too costly and I'm a bit,
Actually, it is. Yeah. Can you tell about your course structure?
So my course structure was I had 4 semesters in which I had 4 subjects each, which I think is pretty much
Same for
everyone, all the courses. So for me, I had 5 to 6 of the core subjects. So in the first semester, I had 3 core subjects, which were like data wrangling, applied analytics, database concepts, and the fourth subject was either or one, which was in introduction to statistical computing and essential maths. So I took the introduction with statistical computing because essential mathematics I had already done it in bachelor's. That's why I took credit transfer of it. And in second semester, I had a core subject of data visualization. So,
too much for me. Just a commerce student. So means you have but you will have core subjects, right?
Yeah.
Yes. They were like, for me it was 6 core subjects. How many were for you guys?
So I had same, pretty much 6.
Okay. Then otherwise electives or something.
Yeah, so we had to choose like 11 math subjects, which the course code is math, and the others were like electives like science or cos, whatever.
And you guys have coding also, right?
Yeah, we have coding.
And you don't have majors or minor things now, or do you have?
So the major language in the entire course we used were R and Python. But R, I think it was the most used language, and I got to learn it when I came to Australia. I didn't know about it when I was back in India. I knew, but I didn't learn it because I thought like, okay, I knew Python, so why should I learn R? But it got supposed that okay, I need to learn R to pass in all the assignments here. So yeah.
Do you get internships after this?
Well, not maybe from RMIT, but I've never tried from RMIT getting an internship. But yes, of course, we can get internships from outside.
Okay.
So I was doing an internship in the third semester, which like was a 3-month internship where I got to know more about how the industry works, how they do the statistics, blah blah blah.
Okay. What kind of jobs do you get after this?
So we can, if someone does specialization after data analyst as well, they'll get business analyst jobs. They can get data analyst jobs. Pretty much any analyst jobs if you have a bit of, if suppose you are going into a banking sector. So if you have some accounting or finance, if you have both these knowledge about it, you can get a finance analyst, banking analyst, or you can get basic data analyst. So yeah, analysts are pretty much in demand every day.
Yeah, even for me also, I'm gonna apply for business analyst job. Okay. What kind of background do you need to study this?
So I don't think you need like a particular typical CSIT background to learn this, because when I came here, when I got along with few of the people in my course, my batchmates, I got to know that some of them are from engineering, some of them are from maths background. My best friend Trisha, she's from like statistics. She's a bachelor's in statistics. I'm like, okay, and they are doing. They came here and they are doing coding, so it's pretty much like fine. But yeah, obviously, maths statistics is needed in the analytics, so which is well and good.
Oh, so you need to be good with numbers.
Yeah.
Okay. Not my part, please. Okay. How much is your fees approx?
So my fees 2 years back it was like $60,000 for 2 years of course.
Okay.
So yeah, it was like around $30,000, which is into Indian rupees. If I convert, it will be 32 lakhs.
Yep. Approx that.
Approx that.
Okay. What is PR pathway after this?
Oh yeah, that's a very unpredictable question because the market here in Melbourne is very tough right now to get any jobs. So it's a bit difficult for you to get jobs. If you have networks, it will be good, and if you have had some experience back in your country doing analysis and analytics part of, or you were working for some company, then it would be fine, you will get a job here. But if you have zero experience, then you have to struggle for a bit. You have to build the network, and by the network only you can land up a job. But yes, definitely if you are working as a data analyst for some company, after a year you will get PR.
Yeah,
Yes.
that's nice. Means in this course PR is like, it is a boom industry.
Yes.
Yeah, that's fair enough. So do you have exams or assignments?
Assignments. So
Assignments.
I can pretty much get back I'm getting a throwback that how many assignments I used to sit at nights and used to do with using ChatGPT and stuff. But I never used maximum of the time I did the assignments by myself. But when I was stuck or something, you can use ChatGPT's help for a bit.
I want to thank ChatGPT. Right? Yeah, I remember that one.
Oh, my degree goes to ChatGPT.
So, are you able to enjoy extracurricular activities with this?
Yes, definitely. For an entire year, I was a part of RMIT Indian Club, as you know. So I used to be active with all the events like Desi Swagat and all. Whatever the events were, I used to be a part of it. And even I used to go to some of the basketball clubs. But I never played, but because of my endurance stamina has been finished. But though I used to just for in leisure time, I used to go and play. And yeah, I I can definitely do some extracurricular activities apart from studying.
Okay. And my last question to you is: are you able to manage your job and this together? Studies
Oof.
together.
So this question is going to be a bit tough to explain because I mean you have to.
You have to. You don't
That
have. Yeah.
you don't have a choice. You
Yeah.
have to. So basically, this coming to a separate country, leaving your home, and like settling down in a different country means you are playing a 3-in-1 role: your father, your mother, and yourself.
Actually.
So your father earning, that's also you have to do that. Your mother making
Cooking.
food,
Yeah.
that also you have to do, and you yourself studying. So it's a 3-in-1 job which you have to do. So you have to juggle between
Yeah.
jobs and studies, which was a bit difficult for me when I came here because honestly speaking, I was a spoiled kid because I was in a protective shell
Yeah. Same
of
for me.
parents. Yeah, so we are in a protective shell of parents. So when suddenly we get so much of freedom, we don't know how to make use of it. So at the beginning I was struggling a bit, that okay, how should I study and how should I do jobs. But then eventually when my body started
Adopting that.
adapting all the things, then I learned how to do time management. So
Yeah. You have to go with the flow. You have to get along with that.
Yes.
Everything, right? Yeah. Same happens for everyone.
and you will definitely in between you will feel like okay, I cannot do this, I cannot take this anymore, I just want to leave
Give
and
up.
go back home.
Yeah.
But hang in there, and this too shall pass.
Yeah.
So
And sometimes even for me also same happens. Like every morning when I wake up, I'm like, no, I'm taking next flight and I'm heading back and don't want to come back. But still, by God's grace,
yes.
eventually you have to. You don't have other choices.
Yes.
So I think so that is all for today. Thank you so much for being in my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you so much.
Do like,
Do
share,
like, share,
subscribe.
comment and subscribe to Tandeep Singh's vlogs.